just some of the cars that were in the shop this morning. So, you know, BMW's always in the shop broken. Yeah, see? So he got the strut out. Did you save the bushing? Is it saved? Nope. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. And today, this is probably a continuation from my readjusting the coilover video. But anyways, let's continue. We're gonna head out to All Out Motorworks to get the rear coilovers installed and this damn lower bolt fixed. All right, everybody, so we're now at All Out Motorworks. So we're gonna get this issue fixed, and I was talking to the tech here, and he asked me, Boost, did you try to install the coilover on your driver's side too? And I said no. He said, that may be an issue, because the same thing that happened to this side can also be happening on the other side. So let's hope that's not the issue. And oh my God, I should have thought about it. I'm stupid, guys. You guys could beat me up, man. I've never really dealt with this type of issue before, but anyways, guys, let's go. Let's get into it. Come on, bag it up. Bag it up. Come on. Some more, some more, some more. Some more, some more. You're still good. You're good. You're good. Yeah, guys, make fun of my bald tires. Look how bald those tires are. Look how bald they are. Check it out. I'm going to end up changing those tires, though. I'm probably going to get them changed at intact tires for the time being. But we need to get this coilovers on first before I change these tires. This man is about to save my ass a hole, because so he's going to try to take off this one. This is the driver's side one that isn't broken, but as he stated, right, there's a bushing inside of here with the metal collar. The metal bolt that goes through it seizes up and will actually snap. So he's going to try his best to remove this without snapping that. Now let's go see what Boost in Motion did on the passenger side. That's what I did, guys. You should not drive on this, but if you take a look in that hole, you see that's broken there. That bolt actually seized with all the rust inside and snaps inside. So that's why it's sitting the way it is. I could still technically drive it, but yeah, it's not the easiest, not the simplest, man. Let's pray. Let's pray, guys. Come. 1, 2. 1, 2. Look like the other side is trying to move. All right, he's gonna give it a shot with a gun. My balls drop. Here it goes. It's okay, guys. If it breaks, it's all right. All right, guys. So this is for all the backyard mechanics like me, or street curbside mechanics. So when I was trying to do this on my own, what happened is this metal collar right here is pressed inside of here, this rubber bushing. This is what we call rubber bushing for the spindle. What is it called? A spindle bushing for the lower strut mount, or low strut, yeah, connection. But anyways, when you try to spin this out, right, this bolt, because it's so much rust on the inside of where this bolt will go inside, it's spinning with the bolt, and that destroys the rubber bushing around it. But also, even if you keep spinning this, even though this side is moving, you still would have to hold back of some kind on this metal bushing itself so that you can get it out. And this really won't be able to do that. So right here, we're pretty much stuck, but he's still gonna get this one done. And yeah, even if some of you guys have commented saying use PB, all this other extra stuff, at the end of the day, you can't get PB inside of there. It's going to be super hard. It's already sealed tight. That's why it's rusted up inside of there. Sealed tight. So if you can PB the outside of it as much as you would want to. When I used to work on cars with certain bolts like this, I would like hammer the head to try to break up the rust inside. But that doesn't really do much. And especially in this type of area, you don't want to hit it with a dead blow or a metal to metal contact and destroy the head of the bolt. or any of the other aluminum parts around it. Use like a chisel or a punch or something like that? That's what you use, like a chisel or punch to knock it out?
No, I just break the first part up.
Okay.
So I can take the strut out.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna try to chisel to.
Okay, so to knock it out. Okay, cool. So he got the strut out. Did you save the bushing? Is it saved?
I don't know.
Nope.
I don't know yet.
He still got to get the bolt out, guys. You see, the bolt is still in there. Cut. Let me see if I can hit you with a little bit of light. See, the bolt is in there. So what he would have to do, even though you see this little damage here, that's not going to really affect the drivability. He has to still be able to get that bolt out and still save the bushing. The bushing itself still looks good. Yeah, it doesn't look like the bushing spun on it. It's just that if he could get that bolt out, then we can save this bushing. But because of the next side where the bushing is bad, because, you know, it's an Infiniti, not those crappy ass BMWs, you know, we wouldn't really have those issues because, you know, BMW shit, you know, they blow turbos and motors and shit. Oh yeah, all right. Oh, I didn't see you over there. I didn't see there's, oh, you work, oh, BMW guy working on a BMW. Oh, okay.
You see the problem over there, right?
Oh yeah, we already talked about that to start. All right, let's go take a look. So they had to cut out the bushing and the snap bolt. So yeah, man, sometimes doing this stuff at home is cool and all, but other times gotta take it to a shop. All right, so he cleaned out the hole for the bushing. Now he's gonna go press the new one in, and then he's gonna install this coilover, and then you have to wait for the other part for the passenger side, because you don't want to remove this first and then we can't get the part, you know. Just like that. Cut both sides. So now it's gonna allow him to punch it out. All right, that's the update on that. He got that part out. Okay. All right, got this one out of the driver's side. So now we're gonna take a look at this one. New bushing in. All right, he's pressing it in just with a regular clamp. Bigger C clamp. I'm just gonna keep pushing in, lube it up to make sure it goes in there nice and tight. And then he's gonna lube up the bolt so when we put it through. I'm gonna take a look. I wanna show you guys something. So, but this thing is not even on properly. Look, that part's not even on properly right there. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.